are we? Costco. Freezer. Hey guys, I haven't vlogged in a while. Yesterday was Sunday and we went to church, then Target, and then I came home after getting like a bunch of school supplies at Target and had like some chicken for dinner and then fell asleep. And then I woke up like 2.5 hours later and I was like really nauseous. I ended up getting sick. And then I like didn't sleep too well last night. I was sleeping downstairs and just because I didn't want to keep my sister up because she had a test today. And then today I had an appointment with my GI doctor. It was my last appointment with my like pediatric GI doctor. So that went like pretty well. I did lose a bit of weight without trying. Which it's not necessarily like bad that I lost weight, but the fact that like I wasn't trying to lose weight and like I was eating like nothing changed really about my diet. We're just gonna keep an eye on everything. I've been having more reflux and more nausea, so we're hopefully gonna be treating that with just like an 8-week course of Prilosec, which I have been on before, but it'll be a much smaller dose and for a much like shorter of a time period. So hopefully that helps out with my like nausea and stomach pain that I've been having every time I eat. Oh, and on Sunday I made homemade yogurt on Saturday night into Sunday because it cooks in the Instapot for like 10 hours. So I made that. I haven't really eaten much of it because after I get sick, usually it's like several days before I'm able to actually eat like real food again. I've been having like multi-grain chips that we have, and then like I got these gluten-free cheddar cheese things and they're like really good. Like they're surprisingly good for gluten-free food. And they don't have like a ton of added sugar and stuff like that. So I'm glad I got that. Yeah, so that's basically what I was doing today. My GI appointment. Oh, and I got my hair done. And then my dad and I went to volleyball tonight, and it was nice. I was able to tape my shoulder and actually like play and have fun. So yeah, it was a pretty busy day. I'm hoping that like the nausea kind of gradually gets better because I've been on Zofran a lot, just because I've been needing it a lot and I've just been really nauseous. So it's that. I'm trying to rehydrate, but it's hard because like every sip of something I take I feel nauseous. So alright, but I will see you guys tomorrow. I have work at the farm. And then I'm going to go watch some surgeries tomorrow at a vet's office. So it should be a pretty interesting day. And I hope to be able to take some pictures and to put them in the vlog. Alright, see you guys. Bye. Hi guys, just thought I'd film a little short vlog clip here. I'm trying to figure out what the best angles and stuff are to vlog without these lights back here getting all wonky and making dots on my face right here. So pardon my lighting and weirdness. I'm trying to figure it out. Today was Tuesday, December 12th, 2017. And I was at the farm in the morning. I had some lessons. It was my last Tuesday before I go to vet school, so it was kind of special. And then I went to the vet's office and I saw some surgery and also helped like volunteering just random stuff, whatever they need. And then I came home and we watched the Santa Claus. We watched number 1 today. And I'm guessing we'll probably watch 2 and 3 later on, maybe while we're decorating a tree or something like that. And yeah, that was pretty good. I had kinesio tape on my arm from last night, because I played volleyball last night, and it was like really itchy, so I took it off. I don't think it really left much of a rash this time, because I only had it on for like 24 hours, and it can stay on for like 3 days, but last time it gave me like hives underneath of it. So today when it started itching, I was really like wanting to just rip it off, but I waited and just took it off now. Alright guys, so I had a pretty good day. It was windy in the evening, but pretty nice overall. I will see you guys later. Good night. Hi guys, I'm just here snuggling with my dog, well, as much as I can with this cone on her. She has a hot spot that she's recovering from, so we're just kind of snuggling on the couch. We call this her couch. It's like a little love seat, and she is pretty much taking it over, so we put like blankets on it so she doesn't get like all her oils all over the couch. So we try to keep her on that as much as we can. She feels a little sleepy today apparently, and she doesn't necessarily want to snuggle, but oh well. Alright, see ya, bye. Hi guys, I got some stuff to make some homemade eggnog, not like alcoholic eggnog, like eggnog that doesn't have preservatives and is a little more natural and no sugar. So I got that, and I'm gonna bring you guys along and we're gonna make some eggnog.
Jessie, what are we about to do? What are we about to do? Are we about to go outside? Do you want to go outside? You want to go run in the snow? You want to go run in the snow?
Jess, you wanna play? Oh, you wanna play with the stick, huh? How about we just play in the snow? Hi guys, we're outside and it's snowing. It looks wonderful out here. Let me take you around a little bit. Don't mind the weird light back there. So it's like settling on all the trees and the grass. And I just brought my dog out. Jessie, say hi, come here. Bring the stick. Bring it, right here, right here. Good girl, bring it right here. Good girl, come here. Let me see. Drop. Hey, drop. Jessie, say hi. Oh, your stick. You got the stick. I was holding the stick right above the camera so I could get a cute picture.
I would not be able to do this if I did not have a life proof case on my phone, because it's currently snowing. And I even set up a little time lapse in the snow, and I was able to do that because I know my phone is not getting wet on the inside. So I'm very thankful for that. Can't you go play? Don't eat it. Just play. Lay down. Lay down and play. Play. Go ahead and play. Alright, Jess, time to go back in. Let's go. Come on, let's go back in. Good girl. Good girl. Very good girl. Oh, look at all the snow on you. Oh, baby. Back where it's warm.
Hey, good morning. This morning is December 14th, and I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna try these. This is the first time I will have ever been trying these. So I'm gonna try them. They're like the freeze-dried apples. So I'm gonna try them right now because I haven't had breakfast. I did a little bit of a workout. But I didn't have breakfast. They smell interesting. They're interesting. They're a little bit on the bitter side. It almost tastes like they were cut when they weren't really ripe. Let me try another piece. Maybe it was just that piece. I would say they're so-so. I don't think they're really, like, I don't think they taste bad. It's just a lot different than eating a real peach. And I wonder if this will hurt my stomach, because real peaches hurt my stomach. But this only has, oh, it still has 3 grams of fiber. So I'll have to see. But they kind of like are all textury. Focus. And like thin, you know. I would say they're more of chips rather than like freeze-dried peaches. And there is 13 grams of sugar in 1 bag of this. It's not 100. Good grief. Again, it's 70 calories, just like the apples. I realize this is gonna be backwards. That's it. Something just came to me. This reminds me of the freeze-dried strawberries that we would have in Special K. But obviously they're freeze-dried peaches. There's that little tidbit for your day.
Are you ready? You wanna go play? Be careful, it's icy. Go ahead. Be careful. It's icy. Good girl.
Hi guys, I just made some homemade eggnog, so I figured I would just taste a little bit of it before I go to bed, because it's like 11 o'clock, which I guess isn't late, but I have an appointment tomorrow morning at 8:30, and it's like 45 minutes away, plus it's gonna be like traffic-y getting there, so figured I would have a little sip of this before I went to bed so I knew if it was like good, and it's really good. It's more fluffy than what I'm used to, but I think that's good because sometimes eggnog is like too dense and it just makes me feel sick because it has a lot of sugar, but this actually doesn't have sugar because I made it with gentle sweet, so it's really good. And with that, good night. Good morning. We are on our way to the hand doctor. It's not doctor, the hand therapist. It's 8 o'clock and it's like 20-something degrees. It's freezing, and we're supposed to get snow this afternoon. So we're just driving up there. And yeah. This is so cute. There's a Christmas tree in the middle of town. Hi guys, we just went to the hand therapist, got some new splints for me to try. And then we went to pick up my new glasses. So I took my contacts out and I like them. I think they're cute, but they're not like too much. Because I don't like the big bulky frames. I don't look good in them or anything like big. So I think these work. Alright, bye. We are getting a tow and it's really snowing. So I was hopefully going to take Jessie out and play with her in the snow because like we don't get a lot of time to play in the snow together. But she's zonked and it's like 1 a.m. So I'm gonna go for a rain check and go out with her tomorrow morning, and hopefully neither of us are quite as tired. I just made 2 ice cream cakes, so it's a little tiring. But yeah. That was our day, and thanks for watching. Good night.